Missing someone.
Hello my loves, how are you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtutu wa Homa Bay County. So today we are making homemade breadcrumbs, and the only ingredient is bread. We're going to need bread. In this case, I'm using half a bread. We're going to need a cooking pan, and of course gas stove jiko for cooking. Without any further ado, let's go straight into it. In our pan, we are going to place our loaf of bread. Don't use any cooking oil or any butter. We need it to be crispy. We need it to be hard, that when you throw it against a wall, it cracks, like the bread cracks. So it needs to be that hard. Okay, so we are going to cook it under medium heat. We change it until it is hard enough and it's brown and nice on both sides. Okay, this one, the first one, I was scared that it was burnt, but guess what, it's not. I tasted the edge, you see that edge there, and it's not burnt. It tastes just fine. So this one is the first one. You're going to do the same. I'm using only 4 loaves of bread. So as I came to realize is that I needed to use the entire half bread, or you can use a full bread if you regularly use breadcrumbs to deep fry your chicken or whatever it is that you use breadcrumbs for. Okay. Why is she pressing it like that, someone would ask. So I'm doing that because I want that white part that has refused to turn brown so I'm pressing it down so that it can touch the pan well. The heat can get to it. Okay, this middle part, that is what I was trying to press. Now all my 4 pieces of bread are ready. It's time to put them in a blender, blend them. So I'm using this tiny part of the blender to blend them. So guys, before you put them in a blender, wait for them to cool down, then put them in a blender. Don't put them while they are still hot, just wait for them to cool down, then cut them into pieces, put them in a blender. Okay. Okay, it is ready. Now I'm going to spread it in a plate so that whatever moisture that is still locked in there, it goes. Okay, we don't want to store it and then it becomes mushy. No, so we are going to leave it out for like 30 minutes to 1 hour so that whatever moisture is in it to evaporate before we store it. I hope I'm making sense. Here's the breadcrumbs. Now we're going to test it out. I used it to fry my potato balls. If you haven't watched that video, you should totally go back and watch it. It's already live here on YouTube. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye, love you. Mwah.